Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Body and Magnet Head Assy for Franklin Chef part number 140398. The Body and Magnet Head Assy for Franklin Chef part hashtag 140398 is a replacement part for a Franklin Chef refrigerator. It consists of the body and magnet head assembly, which are used to hold the door gasket in place on the refrigerator door. The body is made of plastic and the magnet head is made of metal. The body has two mounting holes for attaching it to the refrigerator door, and the magnet head has two magnets that attach to the gasket. This part helps keep the gasket in place and prevents air from entering or escaping from the refrigerator. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to repair a broken or malfunctioning ice maker in a Franklin Chef refrigerator. It is used to replace the body and magnet head assembly of the ice maker, which can cause symptoms such as the ice maker not producing ice or producing too much or too little ice. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the back panel of the refrigerator to the frame. 3. Carefully remove the back panel and set aside. 4. Locate the body and magnet head assembly for Franklin Chef part number 140398 and carefully remove it from its packaging. 5. Position the body and magnet head assembly in place on the back panel of the refrigerator, making sure that all connections are properly aligned and secured with screws or bolts as necessary. 6. Reattach the back panel to the frame of the. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.